Welcome back to Math Solver 1117, where math become easy and fun. In this channel, you will find the complete solution of Olympiad math problem ACT SAT, A levels, O level, GCSE, National International Mathematics exam. In this video, we will solve a very interesting Olympiad math problem that looks tricky, but when I will solve this, it will become very easy and simple. That is 8 raised to power m plus 2 raised to power m equals 30. You have to find the value of m. To solve this, we will write this as 8 raised to power m can be written as 2 cube and its power is m equal plus 2 raised to power m equals 30. Now we will solve this as 2 cube means we can write this as 2 power m and its power is cube plus 2m equals 30. Now make a supposition here. Let us suppose 2 raised to power m equals k. That means k cube plus k minus 30 equals 0. Now we will make the factors of 30 such that when they are gives cube of 3 and minus 3. So we will write this as k cube plus k minus 27 minus 3 equals 0. Now in the next step, we will write this as k cube plus k minus 2 cube minus, this is the cube of 3. 3 cube minus 3 equals 0. Now we will solve this further here that this will become k cube minus 3 cube plus k minus 3 equals 0. Now this will become as k minus 3 into k square, then this will be the k square and the next one will be plus 3k because we will apply the formula plus 9 and plus k minus 3 equals 0. We can take k minus 3 as common from this. So remaining will be k square plus 3k plus 9 plus 1 equals 0. So we get k minus 3 into k square plus 3k plus 10 equals 0. So after this will become k minus 3 equals 0 and the other factor is k square plus 3k plus 10 equals 0. So the value of k is 3 and this is the minus 3 plus minus b square means 9 minus 4 of ac means 4 of 10 divided by 2. So k equals minus 3 plus minus 9 minus 40 divided by 2. So which gives k equals minus 3 plus minus root of minus 31 divided by 2. So we have this is the complex root because this will be minus 3 plus minus iota root 31 divided by 2. So this is complex. We will write only the real root. So we have supposed that k equals 2 raised to power m. That means k is 3. So 3 equals 2 raised to power m. Now take log on both sides. So log of 3 equals log of 2 raised to power m. So log of 3 equals m is in the start, log of 2. That means m equal log of 3 divided by log of 2. So this will be log base is 2 and 3. So this is the value of m. So we write this value of m here, that m equals log base is 2 and 3. Now we will do the verification here, that 8 raised to power m means 2 cube power m plus 2 power m equal 30. So we have 2, 3 and then log base is 2, 3. This is in the power form. So 2 log base is 2, 3 cube. And this one be 2 log base is 2, 3. So we get this 3 cube plus 3. That means 27 plus 3, that is 30. So this is the answer. Means m value is correct. If you found this video helpful, subscribe mathsolver1117 where we find the complete solution of ACT, SAT, A levels, O levels and many other Olympiad math problems. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned, keep learning, keep growing. In the next video, we will solve another interesting Olympiad math problem. Stay tuned.